let's learn the most popular ballroom dances with only one element of dance. So what is that one secret element of dance? It's called box step. So imagine that box, the same I have here on the floor, and we're gonna move in a shape of box. So let's try with me. So we're gonna go forward, step side, together, then we change body weight, then we go from other leg, back, side, together. Try together with me. Find your left leg. With the left leg, we're stepping front. Find your right leg. We're gonna go side. Find your left leg. Together. Find your right leg. We're stepping back. Find your left leg. Side. Together. So by doing that step, we already can do 3 different very, very popular dances. So it will be dance number 1. It's called Rumba. So we're gonna move in a shape of the box, as we already learned, but here we're gonna add 2 elements which make dance beautiful and create the specific and difference to other dance. So number 1, we're gonna add timing. So the timing or rhythm of this dance will go like this: slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick. And the second, we're gonna add a little bit body action, because Rumba is a Cuban dance. It's all about moving your body. So we're gonna add hip action, body action, as we're going into our box step. Slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow. So we already learned dance number 1, American Rumba. So dance number 2, the same box step, is gonna be waltz. So we're going forward, side, together, back, side, together. But what waltz make it different from other dances? It's 2 things. It's a rhythm and action. So rhythm of waltz will be equal rhythm: 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. And action, the character of this dance, is a rise and fall. So we're gonna go down, up, up, down, up, up, down, up, up, down, up, up. Still moving in a boxed shape, but it's already different dance. And dance number 3, we start on different corner of this box. It's gonna be bachata. So we go side, together, front, and here gonna add small little tap and hip. Side, together, back, hip. Let's count the dance. Go 1, 2, 3, hip. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And bachata is also Latin dance, therefore you will see similarity between Rumba, where we use body action, hip action. So let's try with me. With the left leg, go side, with the right leg together, front, a little bit hip, back, side, together, back, hip. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 1 element of dance, 3 most popular dances. Follow for more.